ready? Okay, here we go. Hi friends on Wonderland Way. This is a different video, different style. I'm going to do an unboxing with my daughter, my co-host. And so she picked out some of these cutie cuffs that we found.
We found them at
Hot Topic.
Hot Topic.
Yep,
and
we did.
We got 6 of them. You see 4 right now, but we got these Lilo and Stitch ones.
So these are blind boxes. We're gonna save those for 626 day, right? Yeah. So we're gonna open these 4 for you right now. Okay. Yep. Which one you wanna do first?
I'm gonna take this middle one.
Okay.
What are you gonna pick?
You can bring it up here so we can see it a little more.
So first, I'm gonna go right here where it says to pull.
Yeah, there's 24 cutie cuffs. You can collect them all.
They're in this nice little box to make sure they're all safe.
Mm-hmm.
And if we just kind of
wiggle it up a little bit.
Oh,
Who'd you
I
get?
got Bambi!
Nice. Show it off. Right here. Oh, it's so soft.
Yeah.
What a cutie. I love it. So here's Bambi, your first one. Okay, what else do we have?
All right.
Which one are you gonna pick?
I'm gonna go for this middle.
Okay, let's do it. Let's see. Cutie cuffs are so cute.
Yeah.
Oh, there's Bambi. All right, so what's the next one?
I don't know.
What do we have?
But I think I see something orange or blue in there. Maybe green.
I see green, yeah.
Oh,
it's little Stitch. Speaking of Stitch. Woo. Stitch's movie just came out, Lilo and Stitch, the remake.
He popped out.
Perfect.
He was ready to come out.
That's right. What a cute little Stitch. I love these things.
Yeah. They're adorable. Oh, also, another thing about these, they're like little bracelets. All you just gotta do is gotta pull their arms open, and then
let's do that.
You just put
it's
your
like
arm
slap
up.
band style, right?
Yeah. Here's instead, it's a little Stitch hugging you.
Mm-hmm. I like these because you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put them on my backpack, on my lounge fly.
Oh,
when we go into the
idea.
parks and stuff. You can like decorate your backpack, your lounge flies.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Right? Cute little accessories. All right. Okay, let's
see. Something white in there. Do you guys see it?
Do you see what? Oh, I do.
Oh, there's some white in there too.
Maybe it's Olaf.
Or
who else is white?
Maybe it's the Pegasus and Hercules.
Or Marie.
Oh yeah.
Marie's a white kitty.
She's pretty.
Can you get it?
I don't know. This one's kind of hard.
There you go.
That over there. Who is it gonna be?
Is it gonna jump out?
It's Olaf!
Oh, we were right the first time. Oh, Baymax is in here.
Oh, that's awesome.
Baymax is white.
See, look, it's Pegasus.
That's right.
Wait, did you hear that? Whoa.
It's very interesting. So, ironically, as we're filming this morning, there happens to be a mini petting zoo behind us. Our neighbors are having a mini petting zoo. So we're hearing these random animal sounds. Did you hear that one?
Yeah, I did. It's like a duck.
Interesting. So you're down to one more.
Well, do you want to do it?
Sure, I'll do that one. Okay. Let me get Olaf to stand. There. Okay. You can bring him over here. Let's add Stitch to the collection. Little luau Stitch. Okay.
Who are we gonna get?
Here goes the last cutie cuff box.
Here we go. What is it? It looks orange in there. We might get Tigger.
Maybe.
Or we might get someone else.
They really wrap these, huh?
Huh. We don't want anyone to get in them.
Okay.
We also might get Simba. He's orange.
All right, everybody ready? Here goes the last one.
All right.
Here we go.
You just gotta kind of like squeeze the sides and you gotta like pull.
Gotta massage it, huh?
Yeah. It's Pumbaa.
She's gonna hate me. I love this one. I think this one's my favorite out of all 4. What do you think?
I like Stitch because I'm a big Stitch fan.
Yeah, you are. All right, there's the blind box collection.
All our little guys.
All the friends there. And so the Cutie Cuffs. There's 20 more others that we can collect. We've got a whole bunch. Which one do you want to wear today?
Well, I like Bambi and Stitch, so you know, I'm gonna go for Stitch.
I figured.
He's the cutest.
Yeah, he is pretty cute. All right, well that wraps up this unboxing.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel, right?
That's right. And stay with us for 626 Day.
See ya!
I wasn't kidding when I said there's a mini petting zoo. There's so many animal sounds inside the house. It's funny. We're actually going to crash their party. When do you have a mini petting zoo beside your house, right?
5, 4,
Good thing the neighbors like us.
2, 1.
Hey! We hear all the sounds inside the house. It's so funny. We're like, do I hear a pig? Yeah. How cute are you? What a doll face. Oh my goodness. I know you're adorable. Hi, you. Hello. Hello. You can pet him.
Look how cool his hair is.
I know. It's awesome.
Hey.
This is so freaking funny.
This is funny.
This isn't it? This is adorable. Hi, sweetie. Hey, sweetie. Little chunker. Yeah.
He's got a good quack on him.
Her nose is adorable. There she goes. You hear her? Oh, there. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Are you looking for food? Is that what it is? Oh my. Oh my. Hi, sweetie.